Off-page optimization is nothing but whatever you contribute to other websites. For example, blogger.com, where you post blogs about your business, review websites, um, directory web submission websites like justdial.com, wherein you submit about your business address and business details, and classifieds like OLX, Suleka. Okay, let's take a look at off-page optimization and how this contributes to our page ranking in Google. When it comes to off-page optimization, there are three things that you need to know. One is backlink, second, anchor text, third, branding. Whenever you post an article in blog or whenever you post your address in Justdial or any directory submission websites, you need to make sure you have these three in mind. One, backlink, two, anchor text, three, branding. What is a backlink? Backlink is nothing but a link that you leave in that specific article to your website. So people reading about this article will get a chance to click on the link and land on your website for more information. So this is called backlink, and anchor text is nothing but if you have a link for specific text or phrase, the text is called anchor text. Okay, a text for which if you have given href is nothing but a link to your other websites. If people click on that specific link, it will take them to other websites or to your website. That is called anchor text. Branding, in your page, in your blog page, make sure you talk about your website too, your branding too, so that what happens when search engines comes and crawls this blog, okay, it looks at the contribution, it is about some business specific blog, and people are talking about this specific business, and also this is contributed from so and so brand. Okay, this article is contributed by so and so brand, and hence this search engine links the specific articles with a specific brand, and hence if someone searches in Google about specific business details, there are chances that your website may come first. Okay, so this is how a blog contributes to your website's page ranking success. Okay, so make sure you have backlink, anchor text, and branding. To understand this concept, I'm going to open a Blogger account and going to post a simple article, and I will teach you how to leave a backlink, okay, and what is anchor text. Okay, let me go to Blogger. Okay, type Blogger, that will be the first link. Click on Blogger, sign into it, click on Google Plus profile. Okay, you can actually type all this. I'm just going to skip all this. So you have to type all this to build your company profile. Finish. Sorry, we go to Blogger, blogger.com. Continue to Blogger. Now create a new blog. A blog is something like a small website wherein you post about your business articles. Choose a layout that you want to have and create a title. This is about, say, AdWords blog, okay, and provide an address. It's a link or a URL. This is how you will access your blog. So name it in your company name. Okay, so for example, loxy.blogspot.com. loxy.blogger.com. In this case, I'm going to say AdWords blog, but in your case, please make sure it is your company name. I'm just going to say something else. Bolu blog 12. It is bolublog212.blogspot.com will be the address. So if you type this address, your blog will be open. Just say create blog. Now you can post your article from new post. Click on new post. I'm going to type some article. Say assume AdWords exact match type. There are 4 match types. Okay. For more information about AdWords, visit our AdWords blog. And I'm going to include, say, assume like you have included some images also here. Okay. To include images, you can use this image tag. You can choose files from your computer. Okay. And to include a link, assume you want to link this AdWords blog to your website. Click on this link and provide your details. Say loxy.com/blog. What happens? This will take me to, if I click on this specific link, it will take me to what? My website. This text or phrase is called what? Anchor text. So make sure your anchor text is a valid phrase. Don't say something like this. Click here to go to AdWords blog. And don't give link to click here. Okay, this is not a proper anchor text. So AdWords blog is a proper anchor text. Got it? Okay, I'm going to open the article that I have already posted. If you say publish, this article will be posted and anyone can view this outside. Okay, so if someone searches for some AdWords match type related blog, this specific blog will be displayed in their organic search, and people may click on that and they may even land on your website using this specific anchor text. So this is called creating branding. Okay, when you talk about this specific blog or article, make sure you also talk about your website. Okay, we have already talked about it. You can say like visit our Loxy AdWords blog. So Loxy branding is there, your company name, your company branding is there. Okay, I'm going to open our own blog and I'll just edit and show it to you. Can you see this? Okay, to know more about this point, refer our article. Okay, if you see AdWords CTR was low, and it will take me to my website blog. And can you see this? This is an image and we have given link. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. Can you see this text to display? Okay, this text to display is nothing but your alt text. Okay, here you can say whatever you want to. Okay, your keyword. Okay, keyword should be there. Assume AdWords blog, and which URL should this link to go? Assume this image is about AdWords, okay, blog. You can take them to loxy.com/blog. Okay, what happens? For this image, the anchor text. Okay, for this image, the anchor text is your AdWords text to display, which is nothing but your alt tag. Okay, for any image, the anchor text is your alt tag plus your image file name. So your image file name and alt text will act as an anchor text for any image. And for text It's just the text itself is the anchor text. So you need to make sure you create backlinks. Second, provide proper anchor text. Third, create branding. Okay, I'm going to show you various website categories through which you can create this branding and backlinks. Backlinks are nothing but references. Okay, you talk about it and people come and contribute on behalf of your company by commenting and sharing your articles. Okay, so blogs, articles, under these categories you may use blogger.com, wordpress.org, or you can even ask your web developer to create a blog in your website itself and start contributing. Contributing is nothing but posting content. Okay, something like this. Okay, keep posting it, keep posting, keep contributing. Okay, talk about your business, talk about various processes, talk about any technical details. Okay, and make sure you create proper anchor text for your images by providing alt text, and save your image with proper name. Okay, make sure you have your image name. Image name should contain your keyword also. Okay, and save it in proper folder when you have it in your website. Directory submission websites like justdial.com, asklaila.com, and demos.org. And if you want to know more directory submission website, just go to Google, search for directory submission websites in your country. Keep contributing or keep just adding your websites, your website details, your business address in these websites. When you post your website address in Justdial, Auslaila, or any other directory submission websites, please make sure you leave your link also. Okay, you can leave your website link in these websites. Similarly, classified submission websites like suleka.com, olx.in, free ads, when you can post advertisements in this. Okay, when you post advertisements, you will talk about, like, Loxy has so and so whatever activities, or we have so and so products. So all when you talk about products, and when you talk about services, and when you link it with your company name, what happens, these search engines will relate your product with your company name. And when someone searches in Google or any search engines about this product or service name, and your company's website pops up. Okay, and news aggregator or social bookmarking websites, these are nothing but it's like our normal browser bookmarking. People started bookmarking about their key articles, or any sale, any product related or technical items. They started bookmarking it in these websites. Okay, so that other people can come and look at this bookmarking, and they can click on the bookmark and they can land on your website. Bookmarking is nothing but leaving a simple, say, 70 to 150 characters, or leaving a image there, and so that the people can click on that specific link and then they can land on your website. And you can post videos in YouTube, Vimeo about your businesses. Just record it using any professional camera or using your mobile, and then keep posting it. And there are PPT sharing website. Okay, you can start composing about your business processes or product related details, everything in a presentation format, and post it in slideshare.net. Infographics submission website, you can actually create story about, you can form storyboards. Storyboards are nothing but pictorial representation of your processes. Okay, like a flow chart kind of. and post it in this websites, Pinterest.com. So these are the various categories of websites we have, so that we can start building references from these categories. When you start contributing, what happens? People start looking at it and they start sharing it, they start liking it. When so much of activity is happening around your business, search engines do notice all this and they push your website on top. Forum posting, fact, review websites like Team BHP. If you are running a car company, Team BHP is a place where you can actually contribute. Okay. When you sign up for Team BHP, please sign up with the username of your company name. So that what happens when you contribute, it will be like company has contributed so and so. Okay. And you can even contribute through answers fact websites like answers.yahoo.com. And there are many review portals like TripAdvisor, mouthshed.com. TripAdvisor is specific to restaurants, hotels, but Mouthshed is it's a review website for almost all categories. You can find out more such websites and keep contributing. You can ask your client to make a review in these websites if you want, if they are happy about it or if they have feedback about it. And when you post jobs or when you have a press release about your website, it actually contributes to your page ranking. Social media websites like Google Plus and Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, you can post about any product offerings, service offerings, any sale that is going on, any season sale that is going on, or anything related to your business. You just keep posting it. Okay. Any videos about your business, keep posting it here in the social media or in YouTube or any other classification of or any other categories that we have looked at it. It's about active, how active you are. That defines your website ranking. So have original content and focus on those anchor text, branding, and backlinks. That will give you a better ranking for your website. Now let's take a look at Google Plus. Okay, how to create the Google My Business page. That is nothing but your Google Plus business page for your business. Okay. Second, how to create a Facebook business page, how to create LinkedIn business page, and Twitter. It's nothing but creating a Twitter account in your business name. That's it. And how to create your YouTube channel page. Okay. And what are the key components there in all these business pages.